got a 2024 Acura Integra. We're resetting the scheduled maintenance, the oil change maintenance reminder. We're gonna do that at the radio. At the radio, your first move, what you wanna do, let me get this in frame, is you're gonna press the home button no matter what, and that's gonna bring you to this screen here, okay? You can see where it says FM. We're gonna scroll over like this. You're looking for this right here, vehicle settings. Press that. Scroll over again. Right here it says maintenance information. Right here is where your oil change is, okay? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and select this. Now, here's a couple of the maintenance items that could be popping up on your screen that are due, okay? We're just doing oil today, and we'll reset that. Now, if you go to, let me see, all items due, it'll reset the one that's giving you the reminder, okay? Well, I hope this information was helpful, and if it was, support the channel by hitting subscribe, liking the video, and leave me a comment if you could. I'd really appreciate that, and I hope to see you again in another Acura video.